Sylvia Kemunto, mũrutwo wa mĩaka 20, ũrĩa mwĩrĩ wake wonekanire itangi-inĩ rĩa maĩ rĩa University wa Multimedia tarĩki 28 mweri mũhĩtũku, monetwo marĩ hamwe na Eric Mutinda, ũrĩa ũrekũĩrwo nĩwe watabanirie ngero ya kũmũraga, nĩ gĩtũmi kĩrĩa gĩtarĩ kĩramenyekana. Gĩko kĩu gĩgĩtiga famĩlĩ ya Sylvia na kĩhana maithori, na nĩ matabanĩtie ũthuthuria na kinyi makĩenda kũmenya kĩrĩa kĩoragire mwana wao.
We are going to get into the bottom of this so that we can help the prosecutors in this case to really get to the bottom of what really transpired, what caused the death of our late Sylvia Kemunto.
The procedure to follow is that the doctors, the pathologists will do their stuff between 1.5 hours to 2 hours. After that, the doctors will come out with a report.
Kũringana na riboti ya ũthuthuria ũrĩa ũtongoretio nĩ mũthuthuria wa Mary Johnson Odwor na Martha Mwangi, mwĩrĩ wa Sylvia wakorirwo ũbuthĩte kuona waikĩtio maĩ-inĩ, no nĩwonanĩtie atĩ nĩ arĩ na nguraro moko na magũrũ, mũtwe, oho nĩ ageretie gũthecwo na kĩndũ gĩtuhu, hamwe na nguraro cia gũitwo, mũgarũ na mũhuhu ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũgĩtambio.
The multiple injuries which were caused by blunt objects, there were injuries on the head and on the limbs, upper and lower limbs. Apart from that, there were also evidence of strangulation. We saw injuries to the neck, which you see in people who have been strangled. She also had what is called cyanosis, someone who was not having oxygen at the time of death. So with this, we conclude that what led to the death of the late Sylvia was strangulation. We examined the reproductive system of the late Sylvia, and I can confirm to you that there was no evidence of someone who was pregnant because the cervix was closed. The uterus was also non-gravid.
Wakiri arũgamĩrĩri ya famĩlĩ ya Sylvia nĩ matetetie ũrũgamĩrĩri wa university ĩyo, rĩu makĩenda ũrorwo kerĩ.
Where were the security apparatus of the university? Who was in charge of the area of what? Remember, this is an attack on femicide, and the country needs to be alert that if we are not ready to protect our daughters, they will be killed in public institutions.
Ngiribotera Inoro TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Nyambura wa Mũirũrĩ.